Welcome back. In this week's edition of the Business Review, how one small candle business is lighting a path for itself. Here's Cody and Barrett.
We take a careful time in choosing scents for our bodies. So too, the smell in our home is equally important as it contributes to our well-being. With this in mind, Scents with a Purpose was born. The vision of Shanika Cardoza when she launched essential wicks Ewicksja in March 2020. But arriving here took some time as she battled for months with what type of business to start.
I wanted to do something that I could actually create on my own, and I've always had a love for fragrances, candles and all of that, so I took a course and learned how to make the candles, and from there I decided that I'm going to venture into this for a business.
With careful consideration, Ewicksja candles are made from 100% soy wax and 100% pure essential oils infused with dry herbs.
I was saying, I don't want someone who has issues like, asthma or breathing problems burning my candle and it's significantly affecting them. So I wanted something that was safe. And that is the reason behind the soy wax.
But much like others, starting a business in a pandemic brought some doubts. Mrs. Cardoza says she was unaware of how saturated the market was, but she was not deterred. It started all from pocket and with just 5 cents. But to her surprise, Ewicksja picked up quickly.
The first day when I launched, it actually sold out everything, and I was like, wow. And that was like a huge motivation for me, to be honest, because I did not expect that on the first day. But because I was doing some little teaser prior to the launch, when they actually dropped on the 1st of March, persons gravitated towards it really well. And that was a massive motivation for me to continue.
The only challenge was the high custom fees for imported material, which led her to ordering in bulk. Within a month of operating, Ewicksja could be found in major pharmacies and stores across the island. The business has yet to suffer any losses, seeing over 100% return on investment. It eventually garnered a market in the United States, with its coffee-scented candles being the most popular, raking in 30% of sales. Most of the orders are for customized candles after hitting it off with one trial wedding.
And ever since I did that one order for the customized candles, they've just been coming in significantly. And now that is like a major part of the sale for Ewicksja, because those orders are coming in bulk, like 170, 60, 50. Those are the type of orders that I've been getting for weddings. And so that part of the business has actually helped Ewicksja to grow significantly in terms of sales.
Upon approaching summer of 2021, 3 additional tropical scents were added, and by Christmas, 3 more limited edition scents. For 2022, Mrs. Cardoza is aiming to explore aromatherapy candles. Overall, Ewicksja is looking towards opening a store of its own and expanding its international markets. With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.